So this truck was totally restored and built from the ground up. The owner, who actually was the builder, had his own body shop and built it on his free time until something came up and he decided he actually needed to get rid of the car, so we acquired it from him. I'm gonna start here on the driver's front fender. It's a two-tone satin black and gloss red paint. You can see driver's fender here. Very, very clean, no paint chips, no scratches. Chrome is all in great shape. And then the gloss red paint, once again in great shape. And that's a billet rally wheel, no curb rash at all. Very, very good shape overall. Take you to the hood here. As you can see, a couple just very minor little chips on the front. Very, very small, but you gotta look up close to notice them. Hood overall in great shape, no scratches, no dents, no fading in the paint at all. And the chrome front bumper, great shine to it. No damage at all on the bumper, hasn't hit anything. Very, very clean. All the bezels here around the light, great shape. Lenses are all great shape, no cracks. Going through the grill here. No chips at all in the paint on the grill. Chrome around the light here is in very, very good shape. And both those lenses, once again, no cracks, great shape. Going over to the passenger side, looking at the fender here. A couple small little scratches in the surface on this one, very, very minor. The rest of this fender is in great shape. Chrome is all excellent. All the gloss red paint here is excellent condition. And then this rally wheel over here, once again, no curb rash, very, very good condition. Tires have a lot of tread remaining. All the chrome on this panel, it's in great shape. These lights appear to be replaced. They look almost new. All the gas kit around them, everything's in great shape. Looking at the windshield, no cracks in the glass, couple little pit marks, very, very small. I'll show you those on the interior shot, but there's no cracks, no chips, nothing of that nature. Walking down the passenger side here, mirror is in great shape, the chrome on it. Top of the door, no chips in the paint. One very minor little scratch right there. It's in great shape. And the gloss red on this passenger front door, no scratches at all in that. And then the satin black on the lower, very, very good shape. Let me see, that was just a little piece of dust that was right there. Go into this passenger rear door. Can do a close-up here. Start here, go around to the top. There's a minor little scratch you see just above the door handle right here. Rest of the door appears to be in very, very good shape. Gloss red paints, great shine to it. No scratches, no chips, nothing down there. Show you the top half of the passenger side of the vehicle. No damage at all on the roof. And I'm going to walk you down this side of the bed. Top half of the satin black paint's in great shape. No scratches, no damage. Chrome on the top half here. Great shine, no damage. And then the gloss red, once again, great shine. No damage at all. Satin black. The custom exhaust comes out the side here in front of the rear tire. Great sound to it. This rally wheel in the back here. No damage at all, no curb rash. Once again, great tread life on the Falcon tire. Lots of life remaining. And this rear satin lower part of the side of the bed. No damage. Looking at the back, top half of the tailgate here. A couple just very small little scratches, one right there and then one right there. Got my fingerprint on there. It'll come out, but the gloss red trim's in great shape. A couple just little small wear marks over the years on this panel in the back here. And then the lower half of the bumper, you can see it's very hard to notice unless you're looking up from being down, but you can see there's some chips there. And then the lower bumper though, great shape. And that is a custom gas tank that you're seeing on the bottom. Fuel all goes in the back here. This is a nice spray and bed liner with a rubber mat. Doesn't really seem like the bed has been used for really anything in this truck since it was redone. It's in great shape. No scratches on the spray and bed liner. The tailgate. Very, very clean. Great look. Looking at this driver's side, rear side of the bed here, top half, the satin black's in great shape. That's just a little thing from the tree. No damage whatsoever, very, very clean. All the chrome's in great shape. The gloss red, once again, great shape. And then the lower satin chrome, great shape. No damage at all on this rally wheel. A lot of tread life remaining on that Falcon tire. And then the lower satin on the side of the bed, great shape. And then this does have exiting exhaust on both sides here in front of the rear tires. Looking at the back for the window. Once again, no scratches. All the window trim's in great shape. A little fading. Very, very clean. Take you here to the driver's rear door. Start the lower here. Satin, once again, great shape. The gloss red paint. No damage. Satin here is in great shape. All the rubber on the car looks very, very good around the window trims. Looking at the door here, this is mirrors, chrome mirrors in great shape. No damage at all on the satin on the top there. Gloss red on the side, no damage. And then the lower, very, very clean. I'll show you the inside here. Top of the dash, very, very clean. Appears to be recently redone. And then the red on the dash here was actually done to match the side of the truck. Kenwood CD stereo with a auxiliary input. The air conditioning has everything there, has the compressor, just would need the lines run if you want air conditioning in the truck. So does not currently have air, you would just need to run the lines if you want. Looking at the driver's seat, great, great shape. Upholstery has no tears in it. The black carpet. Going over to the door here. A little bit of wear just on the side of the door panel. Overall, very good condition. Manual windows. Going to the rear. All the upholstery is in great shape. glass. Black carpet, great shape in the back here. This rear door panel, excellent shape. Take you around to the passenger side now. Black carpet, seat, all the upholstery is great shape. Very, very clean. Oh. Door here on the driver's rear, no damage whatsoever. Couple little just chip marks up top there in the paint. Get to this front passenger. So again, no stains in the carpet, appear to be great shape. Seat, the upholstery, no tears, no stains, very, very good condition. Interior is overall very, very clean on this truck. Couple little wear marks right here, as you can tell. Like I said, there's all of your air conditioning controls, Kenwood, and the custom 3-spoke steering wheel. So overall, very, very good looking truck. Has a lot of eyeball to it. These square bodies are definitely have a big following to them, and you don't really see any like this at all, especially these custom builds. I'll show you under the engine bay and then take you for a little spin. Alright, so looking underneath the engine bay here, as you can tell, has the Vortec 5.3 V8 engine. Very cleanly done in here. Very, very clean engine bay. There's your all your setup for all your electrical and the computer. To run, the OBD2 port is actually under the dash. Custom air filter. Everything for the air conditioning is there. Like I said, you would just need to have lines run, and you should just need to charge the compressor. We haven't used it, so we're not positive, but should just need to charge and it'll be fine to go. But overall, very, very clean here underneath the engine bay. Top of the hood, great shape. And I'll take you for a spin. All right, so we're driving this Chevy Silverado now. Great driving pickup. It has an excellent sound to it. A lot of power. Handles well. Got front disc brakes, so the brakes, they stop very, very good, very strong. And then we got a little, use the brakes up here. Truck stops straight as can be. Go over the dip here. So overall, very, very nice driving truck. Sounds excellent, and definitely someone will enjoy this one.
So we're doing the underside. I'm kind of taking over for my associate there that did the rest of the video, but I'm going to show you the underside here. You can see it's you know, the gentleman drove this truck a little bit, but it's nice and clean underneath and solid. That's the main part. Just gonna go a quick overview. He said he started with a nice Arizona truck, so it appears to be that way when you look underneath here. And we're gonna go from the driver's side and go up and back down. You can see it's got a custom gas tank underneath. Got the bed floor and everything. Suspension, nice and clean. Again, this is all half-ton suspension underneath here. All new dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. You can see here, it looks like the emergency brakes need to be fixed yet on that. It appears to be, because it does not attach there. So I think one was too long, they didn't shorten that. So that does need to be finished, the emergency brake part, but it's automatic. You put in park. Got your fuel filter there. This is where they shorten the frame from the dually to make it shorter for a short bed, and they did a professional job on that. So, boxed it and everything. The floor is solid as a rock. I think I said before, it's an Arizona truck they said they started with. Rockers, everything seemed to be really solid. Looks like you got a little something right there. And it looks like you had a couple repairs right here in the inner rockers, but again, it's no big deal. Just something very small and subtle. Frame solid though. You got your catalytic converters on here. We're going down the passenger side. This looks to be really solid. Looks like it might have a little bit of repair here, but overall, the rest of it looks nice and solid. So new shocks and everything like that. The ren's nice. Quarters, everything back here. Let's go back up. Hit the Hydra-Matic transmission. Suspension looks pretty clean. Again, new shocks, front disc brakes. And you got the engine, looks really clean in here. The bushings, you know, they're not brand new. They got a little wear to them, and it's something you probably new one day. But overall, you don't need to do it now. It does drive nice. So, and looking from the bottom up, this front bumper looks original. For me, you could buy anything for $100, I think, and put a new one on. You don't notice it from looking down. It looks like original front bumper. A beautiful set of wheels. But you can see from underneath here, everything's really nice and straight. Wheel open moldings are nice. Got the roll pan, looks nice. Really straight down the sides. So, see the overview of the truck. It's a nice solid truck, really cool looking, cool driver. You're not gonna have another one like it for sure. But you want to see more pictures, go to our website, www.classiccarsllc.com. We'll show you everything. Like I say, a lot more pictures and full description and reviews and stuff. You can more than welcome to send somebody to come look at it. Our shops are located right in our shop in Scottsdale here. And also, if you want it shipped, we can help shipping anywhere in the country or in the world. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next one.